Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for today in another pulling of Pokemon cards. So yeah, since you haven't seen me a while for pulling Pokemon cards, it's okay, but okay for me. It's okay that I that that I can use for some Pokemon cards. So it's because I have to organize all of the vlogs that I have been doing. Okay, so just for today, just okay, and for today I'm gonna be pulling some new Pokemon cards. Okay, and let's gonna start it up. Okay, so here it goes, guys. So, okay, here it goes, and then I got some new Pokemon cards right here. So let's gonna open it first, okay, and let's gonna open, okay, and then uh, Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars. This this is from the Sword and Shield. This is from the Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars. So yes. Oh, okay. It's a Tyranitar. So I didn't know. Okay. I didn't know that. Okay. I didn't know. It's a Tyranitar. We've got a Tyranitar V in a holographic. Okay. So I don't know what. Okay. Yes, that was the holographic. So I don't know. Right. So we got some another Duranodon. A luxury, another Umbreon. Oh, a Gyarados VMAX. Oh, before yun. Okay. And we've got some Glacian, okay, and then we've got some Trainer, a Sylveon, Shimmy in a Whimsicott again, okay, and then we've got another Gradient, VMAX, Gengar VMAX, and a Mew VMAX. Okay, well, okay, here it goes, and then another Trainer, and also a Garchomp, okay, and then a Zeraora, and an Umbreon VMAX right there, and we've got another Lycanroc, Sylvian VMAX, a trainer, two trainers right here, and then also Sylvian again, VMAX, Makuhita, Revenant, Impidimp, Sylvian, okay, and then a Voltan V, right, and then a trainer, and also a Centis Course. So, okay, nothing new, guys, but I think what I've been expecting that most. Okay, so okay, I think this one right here is the holographic. So as you can see, um, different colors of the back. Okay, and we've got another Garchomp and another Umbreon again. Simiser V, Garbodor V Max, right, and then a Rayquaza and a Duraludon. We've got some luxury again. Umbreon, okay, another Umbreon. Gyarados VMAX. And another Vaporeon and a Glaceon VMAX right here. And then a Cynthia Trainer, Sylveon, Shaman, and Whimsicott again. Okay, we've got another Gradient, Gengar, and new VMAX, right? And then Cynthia, and then Garchomp. Zeraora, another Umbreon. We've got some another Lycanroc, and then a Sylveon. Trainer, another Sylveon again, and a Makuhita, another Trevenant, and an Impidimp. Okay, let's check what is this. Okay, it is upside down. Let's check what is this one, and it is a normal type. Okay, who is this Pokemon? Okay, and it's in English, right? English. So the holographic is in English, and but the other cards are Spanish, right? So double deep fangs and a wild tackle. So wow, it's a stout land, okay? It's a stout land. So let's go right here over, and then let's gonna go open this up, okay? Okay. Let's hoping that I can pull some. Okay, I think This one right here is the holographic. So okay, here it goes. Okay, we've got some another things here. Oh, it's a Tapafini! Yes, okay. That was nice, that was nice, okay. You're gonna put that one right over here. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it another side. And also we've got some Cinderace. And again, an Umbreon VMAX. And another Tapofini. Oh, nice, okay. And a Zoroark. Oh, okay. We've got a Zoroark. Another Sylveon, okay. And we've got some Grapplock. And a Charina. And it's a Dabwool. Whoa, look at that. Nice. What? Nice, nice, okay. Nice, we'll get some pulls for the day. We'll get some nice pulls today, but the thing is, the the hottest pull is the Tapu Fini, that it is not ano holographic, but it's still worth it, okay? Okay, and then, okay, there you go. And then I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna have to, like that, and then I'm gonna have to again like that one. So another luxury and a dusk noir. Okay, nice one by Brava. And another Sylveon. Okay, we've got some Grapplat. Oh, Gigalith. Okay, it's from Boulder. Okay, ball from Boulder. And we've got some another Simisir B right here, and we've got another Umbreon. And also a Gallade. Oh, okay. Gallade is evolved from Curlia is because there are two branches. Okay, there are two branch of evolution. Ralts will be evolved to Curlia, and Curlia will evolve into Curlia will evolve into okay, Ralts. Okay, Ralts will evolve into two, right? So it can be Curlia, right? Oh, okay. Okay, I get it. So Ralts will evolve into Curlia, and Curlia will evolve into Gallade or Gardevoir, right? So because Gallade is a male type, is Gallade is male, and Gardevoir is a female. Okay, right? That's it. Okay, that's it. And that's it. An interesting evolution right there. So get a fighting, and it is a fighting type. Okay. It's a fighting type. And ooh, it's a fire type. Okay. What is this? Okay, we're gonna check that out. Okay. Okay, and oh, Spanish. Okay, Spanish. And as in the race. Okay. Nothing. One right there is because it is also a psychic type. Okay. Oh, okay. No. This was gonna be put into my, what is this called? This one is gonna be put into the evolution stage. This was gonna be put in the evolution stage of Ralts to Curlia to Gallade or Gardevoir. So since they are a branch type, since they are a branch evolution Pokemon. So if you say branch evolution, if you say a branch evolution Pokemon, it means that they are two, right? So there are two. And then I'm gonna explain it to you. Rats will evolve into Curlia, and then also Curlia will evolve into Gardevoir or Gallade. So that is one. Okay, right? And then okay, I think I'm gonna have to file this up first. Okay, and then we're gonna have to go to it. Okay, we got some Gigalith, Grapplock, Brava. There are fighting types right here. psychic type, okay, and then also psychic type, and also, and then okay, um, electric type, luxury, charina, plug again, zero work, impedimp, makuhita, turbulent. Oh, we got some, okay, trainer, okay, zero aura, garchomp is dragon type, luxury, garchomp again, and scorch, impedimp, turbulent, makuhita, zero aura, garchomp, and a luxury. Oh, so redundant, okay, so redundant, so you've got some trainer over here, okay, and then another V Astro, okay, V Astro, so nothing new about it, so I think I'm gonna have to, okay, and then yes, I'm like, I'm not Radiant, Gengar, Mew, Gyarados, Cigar, Border, Rayquaza, Duraludon, like again, Radiant, Gengar, Mew, Gyarados, and Duraludon. So, and this the basic V. We got some Simisear, Cinderace, Simisear again, Boltan, and an Umbreon. Okay, you're gonna have to check that out, and then also we got some evolutions right here. It is all relevant. Okay, we got some Umbreon. Uh, how many Sylveon right here, and then another Umbreon. So Sylveon, another Umbreon again. Okay, and then Sylveon. So Vaporeon. Okay, and then too many, right? Too many. So there we go. So okay. There's too many of them. Okay, there's too many. Um, okay, and then yes, there's too many. There's too many of them. So I just want to have one. So okay, and then we got some Tapo Fini over here. So I still don't have a Tapo Coco and Tapo Bulu. So this one is Tapo Fini. So this one is my poll for today. So okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more pulling of Pokemon cards 3 times a week, or should I say um, Pokemon related vlogs, MWF, either pulling of Pokemon cards, or even Pokemon merch like toys, and also anything that is a Pokemon. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vlogs here and my channel. Okay, so thank you so much, and have a good day, everyone.